Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading a high-resolution photo of John Doe and immediately duplicate the layer so you can always revert. Once done, isolate the area whose color you want to change using the lasso, quick mask, or pen tool to create a precise selection. This matters because edge quality defines realism. Make sure to feather the selection by 1/3px for smooth transitions, and convert the selection to a layer mask so subsequent adjustments affect only the chosen region. Now apply your chosen method. For fast shifts, use hue/saturation, enabling colorize for uniform tones. For nuanced control, use selective color or curves to tweak reds, yellows, and neutrals separately. Once adjusted, add a new layer set to color or soft light and paint subtle tonal corrections with low opacity brush to preserve texture. You should toggle the layer visibility to compare. Refine mask edges and use a low radius Gaussian blur on the mask if the transition looks harsh. Finish by matching ambient light. Add subtle shadows and highlights using dodge/burn or localized levels adjustments so the new color reads naturally in the scene. Once done, inspect edges at 100%, refining the mask and removing halos with a tiny soft brush or slight smudge. If you see banding or clipping, reduce saturation, switch to LAB color edits, or add 1-2% noise to smooth gradients. And remember, if anything goes wrong, you can always revert to the original duplicated layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.